Trollis are quite an interesting plant, a bit like an overgrown buttercup, and just like buttercup, they can't be eaten or anything like that. So if you open them up, they look even more like a buttercup. So yeah, kind of interesting, but they're not ranunculus, they're Trollis, and they come from bits of Europe and parts of Western Asia. They quite like a damp, heavy soil. They quite like lots of organic material and sort of part shade. Really, here's kind of part shade. And they have a fairly long flowering season with lots of these buttercup-like yellow flowers that come up. Very, very bright, and they look sort of interesting and different. But yeah, they do not like to dry out. So if you've got a very sandy soil, very sunny border, they won't grow there. But they're kind of nice to grow maybe in the sort of semi-shade of a hedge or a tree or something, somewhere that just gets sun for a little bit each day. Maybe like a quite heavy clay soil or a very nutrient-rich soil that isn't going to dry out, because they really, really do not like to dry out. Interesting leaves as well, very much like buttercup leaves, but sort of a little bit different and partly variegated. And they're herbaceous, they spread into nice little clumps if they're happy. And you can see there's more leaves and flowers coming up there. So they're going to go on flowering quite a long time. And yeah, quite sort of unusual and different.